Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two incredible robot vacuums from Shark that are sure to make your cleaning routine a breeze. In this video, we will be comparing the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum and the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum is priced at $379, while the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop comes in at $699. It's important to consider your budget when making a decision, but keep in mind that the higher-priced model might offer additional features and capabilities. Both of these robot vacuums offer exceptional cleaning performance, but there are some key differences. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum boasts improved carpet cleaning compared to its previous model, making it a great choice for homes with carpets. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop utilizes Matrix Clean technology, which delivers 30% better carpet cleaning. Additionally, it features CleanEdge Detect for 50% better edge cleaning. So, if you have a lot of edges and corners in your home, this might be the one for you. Now let's talk about autonomy. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum has a self-emptying base that can hold up to 45 days of dirt and debris. This means you can forget about vacuuming for up to 45 days. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop takes it a step further with a self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. It also has a recharge and resume feature, allowing it to automatically recharge and pick up cleaning where it left off. So, if you're looking for longer periods between maintenance, the Shark AI Ultra might be the one for you. Both of these robot vacuums come with some great additional features. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum offers phone or voice command control through the Shark Clean app or Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It also features row-by-row cleaning and total home mapping plus room select. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop comes with precision home mapping, which quickly and accurately maps your home for methodical cleaning. It also has sonic mopping that scrubs hard floors 100 times per minute, and Matrix Mop for targeted stain cleaning. So, if you're looking for advanced mapping capabilities and sonic mopping, the Shark AI Ultra might be the one for you. Based on online reviews, customers have praised both the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum and the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop for their cleaning performance and convenience. However, there are some specific features that reviewers have highlighted for each product. Reviewers have mentioned that the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum is good at creating logical routes, effectively cleaning floors, and navigating around furniture and irregular surfaces. It is also quieter than expected. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop has been praised for its simple setup, good performance on hardwood floors, and convenient features like a self-emptying bin. Reviewers have also appreciated its better navigation and mapping capabilities, although some found the mapping function in the app to be not intuitive. Additionally, the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop has received positive feedback for its ability to switch between hardwood floors and rugs, as well as its effectiveness in picking up pet hair and debris. And that wraps up our comparison of the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum and the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop. Both of these vacuums offer exceptional cleaning performance and a range of features to make your life easier. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs and budget. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping.